already got the Beauty Baby car tire inflator and car vacuum. This would be awesome for my daughter's car. I always worry about her having her tires inflated or getting a flat tire when she's out on the road. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are my own. Let's open this up and see what we get inside of here. A two-handle carrying case, so you can store it inside of there and put it in your trunk easily, or your back seat, wherever you want to store stuff. The air inflator portion of it comes with some extra nozzles. We've got an extra fuse in here, a nozzle for blowing up basketballs and balls, and a nozzle for blowing up pool floats, other devices that require an air compressor. This device is 17 inches long. It's not super lightweight, but it's lightweight enough to where it's no problem at all to handle it with one hand. This has a 16-foot cable on here that plugs into the DC port on your car. Comes with a plastic hose and extension hose attached into here to extend this, and it comes with two nozzles that you can attach onto here to extend the device if you want. We've got this kind of a flat end nozzle for getting into crevices and so forth, and we've got the brush nozzle. This thing also acts as a tire inflator. It's got a digital LCD right there on the side. We're going to plug it into the car and take it for a test spin. It comes with a cable right here that is exactly the same on both sides, and the way this works is you will attach this to the back, just kind of sits in there in place, lock this down. This side would attach to your tire valve stem. Now with the 16-foot cable, it gives you plenty of room. What I would suggest is you roll one of the windows down on the car, run this through the window, plug it in, then you can get both tires on this side, then take it out, go to the other side of the car, go through the window, plug it in, and get those two sides. All right, let's give this a test run in my messy car. The car's running right now, 12 volts. All right, so push it this way, you got a vacuum cleaner. The other way, air compressor. It's actually working all right. Let's get one of these attachments on here. I like this thing, get that in between the seat with this one. When this thing's powered on, you can press the button and change it to whatever you want. I'm gonna put this on 44 PSI because that's what my tires are set to, and it's hot out and I want to get them right up to 44 PSI. It changes the European settings, I guess. I don't want this set on PSI at 44. So attach this end to here. It tells me right now that I'm set at 33 PSI. I'm gonna flip the switch back. Let it run. It's up to 42. All right, hit its target, shutting it off. Put my valve stem back on. Just gotta do my other three tires and I'm done. There's a little light on the front here too. So I guess if you're doing this at night, you can see a little bit better. Let's see, look at this. Pull this filter out and dump this stuff out on the ground. Put that back in there. So if you're looking for an affordable tire inflator, car vacuum as a gift, or something just to throw in the back seat of your car, check this one out. Check it out.